Culture is the very essence, the very center of our existence. We as Indians get enthralled at every festivity, every tradition in our country, in every season. And at the HDFC school, we nourish every value and ethos of our culture. Being the cultural head, I came across so many cultural events that I had to organize. We incorporate textbook discussions with real-life applications through our classroom discussions. And this is evident in our cultural clubs that we have in our school, such as theatre, drama, dance, both contemporary as well as classical, music, etc., you name it. The plethora of activities gives us an opportunity to identify our niche and excel in it. Our school acts as a stepping stone in excelling the career that we choose and becoming what we want to become.